Segment 2, the flag represents unity. One of the deepest meanings of the Haitian flag is unity. As we say, l'union fait la force, which means unity makes strength. That is not just a slogan to us. This is a survival principle. The Haitian flag was born when Haitians united against oppression despite their differences. And honestly, that message may be more important today than ever before. Because one of Haiti's biggest battles now is division among ourselves. Political division, social division, class division, colorism, diaspora against local mentality. Too often, Haitians tear each other down instead of building each other up. But simply imagine this for a moment. What would happen if Haitians truly united again? We would witness Haitian businesses supporting Haitian businesses, Haitian professionals mentoring Haitian youth, Haitians investing in each other, Haitians celebrating each other's success instead of competing with bitterness. That would be so transformational because unity is not a weakness. Unity is strategy. As another Haitian saying goes, yon seul doit pas manger kalalou, which means one finger cannot eat okra alone. In other words, we need each other. And maybe, just maybe, the next chapter of Haiti will not only require a protest, and maybe it will require collaboration. So let's collaborate.